Hello students, today we'll study how to write a job application. Now, what exactly is a job application? Job applications are employment application, means the letter written for getting a job. It is a primary means of introducing the job seeker to the employer. Through the job application, the job seeker offers his or her candidature for service to an organization. Therefore, the application for employment acts as a personal advertisement. Basically, you have to tell why you are suitable for that particular post. Now, job application contains appeal for the job along with the job seeker's personal data like the name, address, qualifications, and experience. Now, what is a CV or a curriculum vitae? Curriculum vitae refers to a person's life, experience, and achievements. It should be representative of all your personal and professional details in a specified format. It is generally divided into 4 parts, giving your personal details, your qualifications, your experience, as well as your references. Now, curriculum vitae is also known as resume. Now, when you write your job application, how do you begin? In the first paragraph, begin the body of the letter by mentioning the source from where you get to know about the job. Probably somebody must have, you must have seen it in the website, or somebody must have told you about it, or you must have seen it in a newspaper. If you have seen it in a newspaper, you have to give the day, date, time, and the advertisement number of the newspaper. And you also need to mention the post you wish to apply for. Now, in the second paragraph, you're supposed to offer your candidature by briefing about your qualifications, achievements, previous experiences, and your strengths. So basically, this paragraph is the answer to the question, how are you the perfect candidate for the job? Now, at the same time, you can simply write that I'm a good team player, I have excellent communication skills, but you do not have to be very boastful. In the third paragraph, you're supposed to make a reference to the resume or curriculum vitae and other detailed documents that you have enclosed. You can also appeal for a one-on-one interview. Now, end the body on a promising note. Example, looking forward to your positive response. Now, after that, you sign. After signing, you're supposed to mention the heading, the enclosures, which will include the name of the documents and the testimonials attached along with the cover letter. They may include your resume, your CV, or your CV, basically copies of your certificates and your testimonials. Now, coming to the qualifications of various posts. Now, suppose if you're applying for a doctor, you should be an MBBS with an MS or MD degree. Now, you have to be very particular about the age, because generally when the answer sheets come to us from boards, then generally the students write that he's a 17-year-old person and he's an MS. Now let me tell you, an MS, for being an MS, you should have completed your MBBS, which is 5 years, and a 2 years MS or an MD. So basically you completed your 17, 18. At the age of 17, 18, you completed your 12th, and you completed your MBBS another 5 years, and after that did 2 years MS or MD. So you cannot be more less than 25 years of age. So for the business development manager, you should be a normal MBA. Now MBA you do after completing your graduation. It's a 2 years course. Now for suppose you completed your 12th at the age of 17, 18. You did your graduation at the another 3 or 4 years. After that, you did your MBA for 2 years. Coming to the post of a bank manager, you should be an MBA in finance. Actually, MBA is for, you can do it in other fields as well. You can do an MBA in IT, you can do an MBA in finance, you can do an MBA in HR, you can do an MBA in marketing. So, but for post of bank manager, since it's dealing with numbers, so you have to be an MBA in finance. For the post of a teacher, you should be a graduation. You should have done your graduation, or you must have done your post graduation and a B.Ed as well. For graduation, it should be at least 3 or 4 years graduation, and post graduation another 2 years, and B.Ed is for 2 years. For the post of an accountant, you should have done your BCom along with your CA. Now CA takes 5 to 10 years depending on how early you complete. Now for the post of a lawyer, you should be a BA LLB, and this is for 5-year course. For the post of a receptionist, you should have done your GRE. GRE is a guest relation executive certificate course for 1 year that you do after completing your graduation, a 3 or 4 years graduation, and after that 1 year GRE, or you could be a hotel management graduate as well. For the post of a chef, you should be a hotel management graduate. For hotel management, it's a 3-year course. Then you don't become a chef right away after completing your hotel management. You should, you once completing, you become a Commie 3, Commie 2, then Commie 1, then sous chef, then chef. Minimum 5 years it takes to become a chef. So you should have shown your experience for at least 5 years in any particular 5-star hotel. Now, this is an example of a job application. You are Varun/Vani, a resident of M204 Block C, Dilshad Garden, and an MBA. You come across an advertisement in the Times of India published by ICICI Bank, New Delhi. Write an application for the post of Business Development Manager in 120 to 150 words. Now, it is clearly mentioned that this is your address, that is M204 Block C, Dilshad Garden. So, that is what you're going to write. Now, you also, it can be possible that the address is not given. In that case, you are simply going to write examination hall. After that, you leave a line and write the date. It is, say, suppose 3rd April 2019. After that, leave a line. Then comes the manager, ICICI Bank, New Delhi 110075. Now, remember, the job application is always addressed to the HR manager. Now, they are human resource managers specifically hired by the company for recruitment purpose. So, if you forget to write the HR manager, you can simply write the manager. Leave a line, write sir. Leave a line, write the subject. Application for the post of Business Development Manager. So suppose if it's a post of a teacher, you're going to write application for the post of a teacher. You write the subject in capitals. If you forget to write in capitals and you've written hand, so you just underline it. Now begin your letter. Leave a line, write, with reference to your advertisement published in Times of India dated 28 March 2019, inviting the applications for the post of Business Development Manager, I hereby offer my candidature for the same. I'm a young and dynamic youth with an experience of 2 years in prestigious banks. My experience has taught me to build strong and healthy relationships at the workplace to work smoothly. I'm a good team player with excellent communication skills. I understand the value of this position and assure you that I shall never do injustice to my post. These qualities make me a suitable candidate for the above mentioned post. I'm enclosing my detailed curriculum vitae herewith to enable you to make an assessment of my suitability for the post I've applied for. In case my application is considered, I'm available for the interview at any time suitable to you. If selected, I assure you that I shall work with utmost dedication and sincerity to your full satisfaction in anticipation of a favorable response. After that, you simply leave a line and write, thank you, yours faithfully, sign it as Varun Kumar. Leave a line and write curriculum, put 2 enclosures, that is curriculum vitae and copy of the testimonials. Then comes your curriculum vitae. Please remember either curriculum vitae or resume. No biodata. Biodata is only for matrimonials. Now your CV should contain your name, that is Varun Kumar, your father's name, Mr. Varun Kumar, your age, that is 26 years, gender, male, marital status means whether you're married or unmarried, single, nationality, Indian, hobbies, reading and traveling, permanent address, M204 Block C, Dilshad Garden, contact number, email ID, you can write educational qualifications, MBA from Calcutta, year of passing, or you can simply write the percentage if you want. BCom honors from Delhi University, year of passing, again percentage or division if you want. 10 plus 2 CBSE board, year of passing. Work experience, have been working as an assistant manager with HDFC Bank from the past 2 years and worked as business development executive at Axis Bank for 1 year. Now you give 2 references. References are those people who are related to you, not by blood, who are actually who know you professionally. You can say that this person is a good person and will be an asset to your company. So basically, you have to tell them, give 2 references, at least 2 references is a must. So give 2 references, their name and their designation. If you want, you can give their phone numbers as well. After that, sign and write the date. Okay children, I hope you've understood how to write a job application. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe. Alright, thank you. Happy learning.